Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sold out text on your Shopify store for your product pages. So let us jump into it. On the left hand side you will see it says online store just underneath sales channels, and we are going to go in there. Now the page that gets loaded next is where you can basically customize everything about your actual store. So we're going to go over to the right hand side. There's a customize button, and just left of that customize button there's three dots, and here you want to tap on edit default theme content. Also, this may say languages. It depends on what theme you're using. Now on the left hand side there are a few options, so make sure that you are on themes, and here over the top you can see there are a couple options. You want to tap on products. So from here you want to travel down and look for sold out. If you go all the way down you will see it just over here. Now if you go over to your store page you can see that it says sold out. Over here we can change this to whatever we like. So let's say coming back soon. Okay, and on the right hand side you want to tap on the save button and you're done. Now on this page you just want to refresh it to make sure that the changes have taken effect, and over here you can clearly see it says coming back soon. You can now customize this completely. If this was helpful, do drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace out.